Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing a St. Patrick's Day box with you. We often forget St. Patrick's Day with Easter and all the other holidays, Valentine's Day, but we always forget St. Patrick's Day. At least I know that I always will forget to create a treat box for it. So this is what I'm sharing. I should not forget because my husband is Irish, so I should not forget. But this is the little box I'm sharing. You can fit Ghirardellis in here. You can fit any kind of little treats. I think some like little green gummies would be really cute in here, something like that. But you just open it. Here's the inside, and we have some little flaps there. So this is the box that we are making today. So let's get started. I'm actually using the Itty Bitty Greetings for this, and I am using the Have a Lucky Day right here. This is a 2-box set. It's my go-to for a lot of bags and boxes because of the size of the sentiments. I love the Itty Bitty Greetings stamp set. So that's what I'm using for this. I'm also using the Subtles 6x6 Designer Series paper. I told you, if you follow me, that you were going to see a lot of this gingham. It's my favorite out of here. I actually was going to use the opposite side, but it kind of blended in so much you could barely see it. So I decided to just go ahead with the gingham. For this one, I am using soft seafoam, and I'm using the soft seafoam Designer Series paper for that. And then you're going to also need some Call Me Clover for the hearts here to create our little 4-leaf clover. Now what I'm using to create the clover is our Be Mine Stitched Frameless. All these hearts, I'm using actually the smallest heart right here, and it is stitched, which makes it really cute. So it's the smallest heart in this group here, and you're going to need 4 of them, which I already went ahead and cut out, so you didn't have to sit and watch me cut out 4 of these little cute little hearts. They're really, really cute, and it makes a really cute 4-leaf clover. So you are also going to need a little bitty scrap of Call Me Clover for the stem, and we're just going to cut that out by hand. Then you're going to need a little scrap of Whisper White, and for the box you are going to need a piece that's 7 by 8.5, and again, this is the soft sea foam that I'm using for this. To mat this, you're going to need 1 piece that is 2 3/4 by 2 1/4. Then you're going to need 2 pieces that are 2 3/4 by 1 1/4, and then 2 more that are 2 1/4 by 1 1/4. All right, this isn't a perfectly square box, so note that it is a little bit different shape. So we're going to score this, and on the 8.5 inch side, we're going to score it at 1/2. At 3, at 4.5, and at 7. Then we're going to turn it on the 7 inch side, and we're going to score it at 1/2, 2, 5, and 6.5. And that is our scoring. Now you are going to have some 1/2 inch on both sides. This is the top that has the other 1/2 inch right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut down each one of these. We're going to cut this one off here. And then we're going to do the same on this side. You're going to cut up each one of these. And then we're going to cut this one off. I'm going to cut these at an angle so they fold into the box better. And then this one, we are cutting that off, that 1/2 inch, and on this one We're cutting the 1/2 inch off. And then we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to cut the 1/2 inch off here and leave that one and cut 1/2 inch off here. So we have our inside flaps. So we're going to cut these also at an angle. And this is what you're going to end up with. Alright, so let's sharpen all our score marks. Alright, so now we are going to adhere these, and we are going to put adhesive here and here. I'm just using wet glue, but use either tear and tape or another strong adhesive. Never use snail on your boxes because it is not strong enough to hold. And then we're going to, it'll hold temporarily. I shouldn't say that, it'll hold temporarily, but it won't stay if you want, you know, when I give it as a gift, I want it to stay. And then we're going to put these up, square those up. And then this is just going to fold down like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and mat these. See, that side is really cute. It's kind of like an argyle, but it just didn't show up enough for me. But it's really cute, and it'd be cute for St. Patty's Day too with the little argyle. But if you use a darker color, you can probably use that side. Okay, so these smaller pieces are for the sides. And then these two are for the front and back. I am matting all 4 sides on this one. Now if you want to, you can put a little, I'm using the 1/2 inch circle punch, and I'm going to cut a little bit of a notch out here. It just helps you to open the box a little bit easier. And then let's create our little 4-leaf clover here. Alright, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in the center here of these. And I'm going to try to center these. That's why I'm using wet glue, because if I need to move it a little bit, I can. I just try to do, I need to add a little bit more on that one. Like I want to move this one down just a little bit. And just make your tips meet there. Isn't that a cute 4-leaf clover with this little stitching and the little ruffle on the end? It's just really cute. So I'm going to go grab my scissors here. I'm just going to make a little bit of a stem. I'm just cutting it. And I'm going to stick it right under here. In between those. That's why I didn't adhere them all down. So I could add this. I'm getting low on glue again. And I'm going to kind of stick it underneath there. And then we have our 4-leaf clover. Now all we have left to do, you can even leave it like that, but I love the little have a lucky day on it, so I'm just going to grab some basic black, tuxedo black memento, and we're going to just use a piece of scrap I have here. And I'm just going to cut that. And then I'm going to just banner the end. Add a little bit of wet glue to this one. And we are going to stick that right underneath there. This would be really cute for a classroom. And there you have it, just a quick little treat for St. Patty's Day. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, this is my hostess code for February, and I hope you all have a blessed one. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.